Burundi has done something no country has ever done before. It's voted to withdraw its membership from the International Criminal Court. It comes after more than a year of deadly protests, which all began with the president's decision to run for a third term. TRT World's Vanessa Keneally explains.
It was this piece of electoral administration that pushed the Burundian people to act. Last year, President Pierre Nkurunziza said he wanted to remain in power, breaching the constitution and what many saw as the people's trust. A military coup followed and failed, but protesters remained on the streets for months. The UN Human Rights Commission says at least 1,000 people died and more than 4,000 faced torture, prison or kidnapping. It believes another 260,000 fled. So the UN launched an investigation, presenting its findings in Geneva 2 weeks ago.
The crisis was marked by arbitrary or illegal arrests and mass detentions, both in the capital and in border provinces, forced disappearances, large-scale executions by security forces and the youth wing of the ruling party, targeted killings, torture and ill treatment, especially by the SNR, and brutal repression of civil society, particularly human rights activists and independent media.
Their accusations Burundi's leaders deny.
The government of Burundi would like to refute not only gratuitous serious allegations in this expert's report, but especially denounce the unprofessional methods applied in the collection of information. Burundi's government considers it unacceptable that the United Nations report is written solely on the basis of anonymous testimony, a content that experts don't dare to assume due to a lack of tangible evidence.
Earlier this week, there was further government response. It blocked 3 UN human rights investigators from entering the country. Then on Wednesday, 94 of Burundi's 110 lawmakers voted to withdraw from the International Criminal Court, several months after the ICC announced it too would be investigating alleged war crimes. The East African nation's move away from the ICC is something that's never happened before, but it may not be the first time. Several of its neighbours have complained about the way they've been treated by the ICC in the past. Burundi's departure is expected to take around a year to process. But given the violence sparked by a simple signature 18 months ago, who knows what this latest round of paperwork will bring. Vanessa Keneally, TRT World.